What's up, y'all? It's Jovacane back at it again with another video. Duh. I'm about to do a room tour slash hotel tour. I'll do what I can with that, quarantine style. Alright. Comment, like, subscribe if you've been here before to the Embassy Suite. So what was your experience like? Did you like your room? That's one thing I ain't like. All through the night. You hear that? Matter of fact, do you want to get into it? Yeah, my boyfriend just decided that he wanted to get up and out. So here we are. I haven't been anywhere since this quarantine started because I've been super paranoid. So I just go to work and home pretty much. So yeah, I was just like, why not? We're not doing anything else. I mean, technically we're still to ourselves. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to start off from the door. When you walk in, this is what you will see. I'm going to take you over here near the window so that you can see it's pretty much just a hotel from the outside. You might want to keep those closed at night because a lot of people walk by, especially on the weekends. We have a TV and it has drawers. They are spacious, a nice eating area. I love the light fixture. Then we have the couch right here, and you also have a nice chair that's sitting on the side. They have a phone here, and they also have another one in the bedroom. They have this door here that's completely unnecessary because it leads absolutely nowhere, and it's a pain to open. So there's that. Maybe that's just for if they need to get into the room and they can't, so they have another way to get in. Don't know. Then they have like little paintings and stuff like that, or pictures around to make you feel at home. Nice little small kitchen area, which is kind of funny. Look at my Lysol. I make sure I stay clean, okay? And my hand sanitizers. But this area is actually pretty small. They have the little microwave and little areas right here. I've actually been somewhere that actually cost cheaper than this place that actually had more space, like a whole fridge and some more, but you know, I'm simple, so I don't need much. And at that top part in this fridge is a freezer, just so you know. And here's our bathroom. I'm recording with my Canon M50, love it, by the way. Another picture for DC. And this is the shower. Love the shower just because it just feels really good. Being away from home. The thermostat, it seems like it mostly works for the bedroom than the outside, because when it gets cold in here. And when it gets hot in there. Just saying that. You have an ironing board. And then you have this like little closet here where you can place your jackets and things of that nature. And they also have a lockbox to put your personal items. You also have a TV in here with drawers, and then they're pretty spacious. A little vanity setting, and an alarm clock, 2:27 on the clock. This is our view from the outside. They have like a little dining area. The bed is actually not that comfortable. Like, I've been in better beds. Those are kind of too firm for my liking. But pretty much this sums up the room. Now we're gonna head to the hotel part. Hello. Hello. So this is right outside my door. I love this view. I love the natural lighting that comes inside. It is so gorgeous. Just this view alone is just relaxing to stare at. I am on the 6th floor, so watching us go down. I love this view from the elevator. It's actually pretty cool. So for this mission, I was attempting to find the fitness area and the pool area without any help, of course. So I'm just pretty much making my way around this hotel. Beautiful water fountain area. just right in front of the front doors. Then they have an ATM and a gift shop. And then here's me just making my way, hoping I don't get kidnapped, going upstairs randomly. But it seems I have found what I was looking for. And I was happy that my key worked because I wasn't sure that it would. So here's the gym area. And then I found the pool, but due to COVID, so making my way up out of there to try to see what else I can find around me. I decided to make my way outside. With the handicapped doors. Saw this little entryway and decided to go this way. Look at the beautiful light, and my room is somewhere over there on the left. Then I saw this area. I thought this was pretty nice, a nice relaxing area. They had the lights on the trees, a nice little fountain area. And this is my hair. I just wanted to show you guys. This has been a week since I had my headband curls. You could check that video out right there. And this is me trying to see if I had any food spots that I could just grab something to eat. I was so set on those breaded wings, but I actually had them and they weren't actually that good. Yes. I have a coupon. So this is me making my way back to the hotel. Look at the cigar. Then I got locked out. Yeah. I better say. Don't make me look stupid. I don't like looking stupid. This was short for y'all, but oh my gosh, it was hot. It was really humid outside. That's the breakfast I just couldn't make it to.
I'm hot in here. Gosh, I am hot. Can you see me sweating? Man. So I'm gonna cool down now. Sit in my handy dandy seat, sit you on some Pringle chips, and then sit back. Oh my God, what the fuck? What the? Alright, I'm dizzy. Subscribe if you want to. Like, if you want to, you know what I'm saying? All at your own will. It's all at your own will. I don't force nobody to do nothing, okay?